The Workstation Comfort from ACI Laser GmbH is ideal for marking individual parts on small production volumes. The compact protective housing was specially developed as a manual workstation with an automatic door opening for use at small and medium-sized companies. Permanent and wear-resistant markings are possible with a laser in combination with low costs and high speeds. An electrical safety cover door with integrated laser protection glass ensures safe operations in line with Laser Protection Glass 1 regulations. The door opens and closes automatically when the laser marking process starts or finishes. The Workstation Comfort can be used in a flexible way and is designed as a desktop workstation. It has interior lighting and provides space for parts measuring up to 600 mm by 400 mm. The electrically powered Z-axis allows materials to be marked at various heights. Two integrated focusing lasers enable the focus to be set easily so that the system can be modified for different parts in a very short time. A preview function makes it easy to rapidly position the part in the workstation. Depending on the application, the Workstation Comfort can be equipped with a suitable ACI laser. When configuring the system, it is possible to use ACI ND-YAG, fiber or CO2 lasers. The system can also be used with the rotary axis for seamless all-round markings. Permanent and wear-resistant markings are possible on a wide range of materials, and they are needed, for example, in the automobile industry, in aerospace engineering, and in tool making. Communications are handled via a USB interface. The workstation can either be controlled through an intuitive control panel or the marking software Magic Mark V3. The Workstation Comfort from ACI Laser. ACI Lasers made in Germany.